she ended up passing away 13 days later due to blood clots moving and her going into cardiac arrest. She ended up passing away from a pulmonary embolism. But between those 13 days, because again, our family is well informed. We know what the signs and symptoms are. We're talking to Shamony's mom on a daily basis, multiple times a day. So as soon as, Shamony told her, like, listen, I'm having shortness of breath. It's hard for me to talk. It's hard for me to walk up the steps. Her mom was like, well, these are signs of having a pulmonary embolism. And because, her mom is so active in the community, we knew the head of the maternity ward at the hospital that we gave birth at. So we're able to call them, on the cell phone, and say like, this is what's going on, this is what's happening. What should we do? And, even though, we were also well informed, we went with the, information given by, the experts, which was, she just probably needs to rest. She's probably overworking herself. She's probably doing too much, so just have her lay down and, just cover her, So that's exactly what we did, but in hindsight, of course, if you're resting and you have, blood clots moving through your body, it creates space for them to move faster and be more aggressive.